and delicious cakes. Today I am showing you the Goan green chutney which you can use on applying breads for breakfast. So without wasting any time, let's start with the recipe.
Half coconut, half inch ginger, 2 green chilies, half tsp jeera, 1 tsp salt, small ball tamarind and 2 tablespoon sugar. In a mixing jar, chop the coconut or you can use grated coconut. Now add the remaining ingredients. Add sugar. Wash coriander and mint leaf separately. Now add this to the mixing jar. And grind to a paste. Grind till the paste is very fine and smooth in texture. Now the paste is ready. See the texture and the color. It is ready to serve. Transfer it into a bowl. We can apply it on bread and serve it.